But let's begin tonight talking about the tropics, and let's do a little climatology. And for that, let's go to meteorologist Zack Webster.
Tropical activity starts to wind down as we head into the last month and a half of hurricane season, but that doesn't necessarily mean that we avoid any sort of significant impacts from any tropical systems. Here's a look at where tropical systems have developed and where they've moved throughout the last about week and a half of October, from October 21st to October 31st of 1851 to 2024. And you notice a pretty big concentration of storms developing over the central and western portions of the Caribbean. Then most of these generally carry off toward the north and the northwest. One of the most notable of those storms to develop in that region, Hurricane Wilma, from October 15th to October 25th in 2005. It first developed as a tropical depression, Tropical Depression 24, on October 15th in 2005, just barely to the southwest of Jamaica. And just a few days later, on October 19th, it recorded a minimum central pressure of 882 millibars. That is the lowest minimum central pressure we have ever recorded in the Atlantic Basin when it became a Category 5 hurricane. It moved its way off toward the north and the west, eventually made landfall in Cozumel, Mexico, October 21st of 2005 as a Category 4 storm, then made the turn off toward the north and the northeast, eventually making landfall near Cape Romano, Florida as a Category 3 hurricane on October 24th in 2005.
882. There's a small chance that Melissa could get that strong.
Yeah.